We think that is the beach area because that's where we've just driven up the hill.
Yeah. And I think around here is Benagil Caves.
We're Nadia and Irfan and we've travelled over 40 countries around the world.
We're expecting a little pumpkin in October 2021. And what we're really excited about is this little edition joining our quest, visiting every single country.
So come follow us on our journey while we travel around the globe. Hey guys, so
hello.
We are trying to attempt the Benagil Caves by foot. We've read online that it's only possible to enter the caves by boat.
Or access the caves via a boat. So we're now going to see if the footpath on Google Maps actually takes you to the cave or some random spot. So
yeah, we're like in the middle of this sort of track right now, which is like in the middle of nowhere, and I really don't know if we're gonna make it or not, to be honest.
Yes, we don't really know. Let's see. So I guess if we've uploaded this video and you're seeing this bit, we've managed to find something. We've
just come here to the side of the cliff edge. We think that is the beach area because that's where we've just driven up the hill.
Yeah. And I think around here is Benagil Caves.
So we're going to find out is
get the drone. Let's see.
The drone shot.
Let's see.
We've discovered where the caves are.
Good thing we have got the drone.
Literally, it's all the way over to that side. And if you look, even if we were to climb there, only way to get down is if we could do that, and that's dangerous. So man, outcome.
We got some drone shots and we found the cave. Right. And no birds attacked the drone.
Ooh. Even though there's one there, there's everywhere.
Yeah. One thing to bear in mind before we carry on is that birds are hostile towards drones. So
yeah. And I've seen it before where they've literally like attacked the drone and the drone's just gone, fell in the ocean and it's gone.
Kaput! It goes kaput.
So we came, we can confirm that you cannot access Benagil Caves by foot.
About this cave also is that you can't access it by foot. You can only access it by boat. Because we're in a bigger boat, we can't actually go inside the cave and we're not going to get off the boat. But if you go on one of these smaller boats, you can actually get off the boat and go inside the cave.
Although Google Maps shows you can, but it's on the cliff, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So save yourself the hassle, get yourself a boat tour. Get one that literally lets you take pictures from inside the cave, or you can get some that literally just drive past it.
Yeah.
We've just seen 2 boats go past and we're now making our way back to the car.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that bell icon if you want to be reminded when we upload our next video.
And remember guys, follow that vision.
Build the visions.